If gusto ka mag-VA, but you're still not taking action, I need you to stop doing these 5 things. Number 1, asking how but not doing anything about it. Sige ra kag pangutana, unsaon maging VA? Asa ko mangita og client? Unsaon ako pag-learn ani na skill? It's okay to ask questions, but if you have already an answer and never actually trying, you're going to stay in the same place. Number 2, being scared to take the first step. Majority sa akong mga makita nga post sa mga coaches na ginabalik-balik nilang ingon is you don't need to feel 100% ready before you start. Sometimes you become confident because you started. Number 3, saying you don't have time to learn. Pero makaubos og 2 hours mag-scroll sa reels or any random videos. Maybe dili nimo need og more time. You just need to make use of your time differently. Number 4, comparing yourself to other VAs. Sige lang kagkabasa og client das to all, they get hired, og somebody na mga hawd na sila sa kaninga niche, hawd na sila mag-SMM, marketing, sa funnel, sa automation, and suddenly makaisip ka na behind naman kay ko to learn these things, oy. Actually, you're not behind. You are just seeing someone else progress while you are still building yours. And lastly, number 5, waiting until you're ready. Same lang siya sa number 3. Sige lang kag-ingon nga, ay, dili sa ko mag-start, mag-wait lang ko, kung mahawd na ko. Pag gwapo na siguro akong portfolio, dira na ko mag-apply. Ay, mag-start lang ko kung na ko yung experience. There's always gonna be another reason to wait. And I've seen so many aspiring VAs get stuck doing them. Kung naisa ani nag-resonate sa imo nga, take this as your sign. Remember, you don't need to know everything. You don't need to be the best. You don't even need to feel ready. Just take the next step. Start small because small progress is still a progress. Learn as you go and keep moving. Bye!